The wiper just decides to just go turn on and just wipe a couple of times, and then. All right, guys, welcome back. So today makes 2 weeks that I had my Tesla Model Y, and I'm gonna let you know certain things that I love and certain things that I don't like, or that I changed to make it known. Okay. Now, these are all my preferences, okay? Everyone is different on how they make their cars. So, please, if you have anything to say, leave in the comments, all right, or what you think, okay? But once again, this is my preference. So, after having the car for about 2 weeks, today is Friday, makes 2 weeks that I have the car. I have right now on the car 1,568 miles of driving it. So I've supercharged this car 3 times since I got it, because I was waiting for my thing to be put into in the house. So far, the experience is unbelievable. Technology-wise, it's remarkable. All right, so as I was saying, I just stopped to get a car wash, and I'm gonna let you know things that I like about it and what I improved on it, that my liking, and what I don't like. So with that being said, the first thing that I did to this vehicle is, when I first got it, is I ordered the tilt swivel screen, which is right here. All right, so I need that. To me, that was a must for me. All right, so I needed it because I wanted to look towards me, especially with the glare, and you couldn't get to the corner, and if I had to look at supercharger or anything, because they're very tiny, I had to go over like that. So I didn't want that. So this works for me. It might not work for everybody else or everybody, but this is what works for me, and this is what I wanted, and it was a must for me. Now, the other thing is that what I don't like is if I want to switch between navigations, regular cruise control or auto steer and FSD. I do have all 3 of them. I did buy the car with the FSD. I have to take off FSD to activate auto steer and cruise control. I can't just activate it on here, one click or double click. It would be nice if there was an update on doing 1 click, you get auto steer, so you don't have to do the navigation, and 2 clicks if you want the FSD. That's the other thing. Well, work a way around it if I don't want to just switch it off. And the other one is, yes, the one pedal drive. It is phenomenal. I got used to it. It's great. I love it. But I would like to just deactivate it when I'm on the highway, because sometimes it is a little bit hard to push the pedal down, and it does fatigue your foot. To just let go like a regular car, and it coasts instead of slowing down. That's the other option. I don't know if it's just on this model or and maybe the other models it does it, but on this model it doesn't do it. And what else? That's it. Other than that, the range anxiety on my first video, everybody was commenting. Thank you for all the comments. I appreciate all the comments, and thank you for all the new subscribers. I very greatly appreciate it. The range anxiety, I think that's over me now. I've driven 120 miles away on a 70% state of charge battery on here, and I got there with a little bit of traffic with like 38% left of battery, which is perfect, which is fine, because I'm not worried, because I will charge it at a supercharger around there, and to get back home. Just enough to get back home so I could charge it at home. Other than that, I still didn't experience the long drive. So maybe next week I'm going to be heading down south to Florida. So it's going to be like a 1,200 mile trip. That'll be my first experience. And then I might be I might have a little bit of range anxiety, which I shouldn't. But it'll be my first time stopping in multiple supercharger stops just to charge and go. So that'll be my first ever road trip with a Tesla that far, and actually experiencing the superchargers. I did watch videos and everything is fine, and they do it. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to do it. But yes, what is the other thing? The other thing is I am so used to driving an ICE car that I have the dash in front of me, you know, so every time I'm driving at night, I'm staring and then I gotta look over, which is fine. I got used to it. But I did get something for that, so stay tuned for that video, okay? And also, if you're new to this channel, guys, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. It's free for you guys. Okay, so anyway, the other thing is that I don't like the fact that sometimes I'm driving, and I don't know if it's just my car or it might be any other car. I'm just driving normally and the wiper just decides to just go you know, turn on and just wipe a couple of times and then it stops, you know. So I don't know if that's because it's trying to clear the sensors or the camera, but car's clean, I guess. And that's it. Other than that, I can't complain. I love the car. I think this was the best decision for me, okay? Best decision for me that I got this car, okay? And the experience is beyond what I expected, okay? And yeah, I mean, there's nothing else, I mean, other than those little flaws and the tilt and the dash, my opinion, not everyone's, this is me, okay? Just clarify that. Other than that, to me it's perfect. I mean, I hear no road noise. I mean, a little bit of road noise. There's no wind noise that I hear when I'm driving an excess speed of 70 miles an hour, okay? Other than that, yeah, it's been a great 2 weeks, and I can't wait to keep driving this car more and more and do more road trips. Yeah, so anyway, guys, thanks for watching. It's probably a short video. Thanks for watching. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. And all the items that I have, I will put them in, put a link on them in the description below. And yeah, so stay tuned for other videos. I do have some accessories that I am putting around the car that I ordered, that I will be putting it around the car. Accessories that I like. And we'll go from there. So yes, anyway, thanks again, guys, for watching, and I greatly appreciate all the comments you guys are saying to me, and I love responding to them. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks, bye for now.